So hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to show you how to use GPT-4 for free. Okay, so I am not gonna waste your time. It is very simple task. Okay, you know my tricks are 100% working, so don't mind to subscribe and like my video after watching, because if works, like is mandatory, subscribe is not mandatory but like is mandatory. Okay, everything is in description, so you can follow description or my video. So let's start. You're gonna need internet, a browser, that's all. Okay, so and if you are new in my video, so do check my other videos. So, it will be thankful very. So let's start. Now go to a browser. Okay, I am going to this browser. You're gonna search this website. Okay, julius.ai. So go to this website. Everything is in description, so don't worry, you will find it very easily. So you can download their app or you can use it in their website. I will recommend you to use their website. So I am going to tell you that this is not free. Okay, I mean you have 15 free messages in GPT-4, but this website has a trick. This website doesn't need any verification for a new account. After 15 messages you can create unlimited accounts with unlimited email. Okay, so don't worry, just start a chat, click the start a chat. So it is loading. So I am going to click sign up. I am putting a random email. Random password. I'm going to continue. Not now. So it is loading. So as you can see, this is their video. You can watch it or not, no problem. So this is the interface. Okay, so I'm gonna you can add files. Okay, you can ask some questions, anything. You don't need to upgrade. Okay, chat files, docs, anything. Okay, so I'm gonna tell him that are you GPT 4. So let's verify. So as you can see, this is GPT-4 authentic trick. Okay, so after that you have only 50 messages. I already read it one, so I have only 40 messages only. After 40 messages you need to fireproof just whole browser. Okay, wait, my browser just closed. Then go to the website. After that again repeat my step as I shown. Start a chat. Plus point is there is no verification. Okay, you can put anything if you want. Okay, just email @.com there. Okay, password, anything, special character. Okay, continue, never. So you can see no IP issue, nothing, not now. This is going to work again. So that is my video, small video, but it works. So if it works, please like and share with your friends, no problem. And if you want to talk to me, just comment, or there is an email in my description, you can contact me there also. So thank you, thanks for watching, peace out.